Hello everybody, Lurgs here, welcome to my channel, and today is the Bosch washing machine VarioPerfect. How to turn off the annoying beeping noises. Now this is on the Serie 4 washing machine, but it should be the same on the Serie 6 as well. I'll show you two things today. The first thing I'll show you is how to turn off the annoying beeping noises whenever you press any of the buttons on the front panel. But most importantly, at the end, when it starts going beeping mad, I'll show you how to turn this off, because it's really annoying, wakes up the whole household. Right. Let's get cracking. This is the Bosch Serie 4 VarioPerfect model here, and there's a link above now where I review this washing machine. The first thing to do is move the washing program dial round to the cotton setting. Now this is a 2-hour 30 setting, but we're not actually going to use this. Now what you do is you hold down the start reload button with one finger and then turn the washing program round to the next setting. This brings up the options. Now this is the volume option for the front panel buttons. And then you press the finished in button to cycle through all the settings. Now the volume settings go from 0, which is off, up to number 4, which is the loudest. And you can just keep cycling through these. That is the front panel buttons volume switched off. Now we need to turn off the end noise. To do that, turn the washing program dial round to the next setting. And as you can see, this end setting is set to volume 3. So press the finished in button and just cycle that round. And we want to select 0, which is volume off. Now there is one more setting that you can change, which is the drum clean option. So move the washing program round again. Now the drum clean reminder is set to on. This basically means that the washing machine will remind you when to do a drum clean. Now personally, I would leave this on, because you want to be running a drum clean option every 2 to 3 months or 30 washing cycles. And there's a link above now where I run this drum clean option, and it keeps your washing machine hygienically fresh. Right, we've now amended all those volume settings, so what you can do is just turn that dial around to the off position and those settings are saved. Now we'll just test out those settings. So let's select a washing program, and now I'm just going to select some options on the front panel and then stop talking, and then you should be able to hear that there's no noise, but you won't be able to hear because there's no noise. Fabulous. And now I'm just going to start a washing program and then just film the end just to prove that there's no end beeping noise. Whilst I'm waiting for the end, there's a link above now about Bosch washing machine maintenance tips. Yay, no noise, fabulous. And I tell you what, that deserves a cup of tea. If you found that video useful, please subscribe by pressing this button down here so you don't miss more videos on how to save you time and money. There's also some other videos around the edges of the screen here. If any of those are useful to you, then you can select those now. Thank you for visiting my channel, everyone. I really appreciate it.